All right, well today we've got a 2008 Dodge Ram with a 6.7 liter Cummins engine. We're going to go ahead and replace a couple of the fuel injectors today. And right now I just want to review the process of using a snap-on modus to enter in the new IQA value into the PCM. So each injector, when it comes from the remanufacturer, comes off the flow bench, it's going to have a very unique IQA, injection quantity adjustment, value placed in it. So this particular one is 7GA-IA3, and that's going to be a code that's important to the PCM and allow it to trim the fueling from this injector. So I'm going to use my scan tool. I've got the key turned on in the truck here. Try not to get too much glare on my screen, but I've already got it into the engine menu. Yes. Now we've got the opportunity for codes, clear codes, data, function test. I'm going to select system test here. Now I can do cylinder performance test, injector kill test, or there's my injector quantity adjustment. So I'll hit yes. Now I can read all injectors' current values, or I can go to the specific one. So let's go to injector number 1. It's going to allow us to do exactly what we need to do. So I'm going to hit yes. Make sure the engine's not running. Yes. And it shows me the current value. Okay. So now I have the opportunity to program, exit, or enter the injector value. So I'll scroll down to the injector value. All right. So now here is where the benefit of a touchscreen kind of comes in. So again, recalling what my value here is, 7. Then it's a G, A, then IA3. So you can see the value displayed here. I'm going to select yes. Now I'm going to scroll back up to where it says program. I'll select yes. My value is displayed right there, so I'll select yes. And just like that, we've now gone ahead and entered the IGA number for this injector, which we'll install in cylinder number 1. So it's important to do this either before you do the job and keep them separate, or as you're installing each injector into the engine. The last thing we want to do is grab all these cards and rip them off and throw them on the bench and try to do this later and match them up at a later time, unless we make a note on the card. So best practice is to do one at a time and enter the information to make sure that you're accurately entering in the IQA number, such as we've done here in this 2008 Dodge Ram with a 6.7 liter Cummins engine.